Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do from Lowe's. I picked up a 2-pack of Lufkin tape measures and another item. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I picked up I was watching VCG Construction. I'll put a link up here to his channel, a card. Let me go over my phone. I'll also put a card up here for the video. There is a difference between the item that he showed and the item that I picked up. To me, I think they're exactly the same. I think the only difference is that the Lufkin Crescent Shock Force Nite tape measure that he showed, the Lufkin wording right here was actually bright blue. The Crescent was orange. I think this round orange ring was actually like a darker red or darker orange. And the Shock Force was gray, and then I believe this was like a darker orange as well, the 25. But anyways, there was two different versions. There was the single pack, just looked almost identical to the one that VCG Construction or Vince was showing, but it didn't have the blue. It looked just like this. It was just in a single. And at Lowe's, the single 25 is $29.95, where during this time holidays, it is December 27th, 2019. It's Friday. This 2-pack is $24.95, I think. If I remember correctly. I don't know where the receipt is. I think it's in my jacket. Yeah. It was $24.98. And this right here was $19 for a 4-pack, 2 6 inches and 2 12-inch Jorgensen medium duty steel bar clamps. But like I was saying, I will leave the information down below. They're Nite diamond coated end hook for superior grip, through hole for scribing, pivot, or tether loop. Easy 3-inch adder for inside measurements. 2-sided black blade with bright green markings. Metal guardrails for lock button. So basically, it's exactly the same. It's got the diamond coating on the tip. The only difference is the one he showed had the Lufkin was actually like a dark or a bright medium blue, something like that. You can go look at. I'll leave the card up here for Vince's video on it. You can see that it's just a different color. But to me, the 2-pack seemed to be the better deal. If they're $29.95 a piece, after tax, they're like $30.50 or $31, something like that. So you'd be paying for 2 of them. You'd be paying more like $62, almost $63. A 2-pack for $24.98. That's a pretty killer deal. You're saving a little over almost 40 bucks. A little like 37 or 38, something around there. I will do an unboxing of these, which, you know, there'll be quick and easy unboxings. That will be a separate video. So I'm gonna put those aside. I picked this 4-piece, which is 2 6-inch and 2 12-inch Jorgensen medium duty steel bar clamps for like wood, stuff like that. I've been getting into more woodworking. They have really nice handles. I like the handles. This was $19 on one of the holiday in the middle of the aisle box, you know, displays that they put up for like Black Friday and everything. 1996, I believe. Yeah, 1998 is what this was, and I picked this up. I also have some videos for Home Depot, and I also went to a different Lowe's all in the same day. So we'll do separate videos on those items. But please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Check out my Amazon affiliate links, comments, suggestions, criticisms down below. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time. And hopefully you guys have a great New Year. See you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.